Page 73, C divers. We get another piece in 3/4 time, 2 lines long. Just look at it one hand at a time here. Starting out here, again we get the C chord. They're just giving you the notes in the other direction. It's still a C chord. So learn to recognize those. No, oh, it's just a chord. So already you've got it. And then a G7 chord and a C chord. Left hand, you're starting with thumb on G. You're here. Okay. Then put the hands together slowly. To rest. So forth. And you can add the dynamics. Medium loud, that's the melody. Everything else is soft. So this right hand has to be softer than that. For the chords. We want to hear the melody. Keep that soft. Then the next line is soft. That means the right hand's very soft. Again, the same technique I was explaining before. There's different ways of playing soft on a piano, but however soft, that's not as soft as you can be here. It's just soft. But the right hand needs to be very soft. Either you can push in slightly, you can pull out, raise the wrist, here. So I tend to push in slightly and raise the wrist, like so. The idea is you're very relaxed here, because when you start getting tensed up, you'll play louder. You got to be very relaxed to play softly. Moderately slow. This is a slow piece, sort of slow. It's up to you on what that means. I don't know, whatever. I don't know what moderately slow is. It's somewhere slower than moderately, but it's sort of slow. Now there's a note underneath it where this one you can go down. They're saying for the second line, you go down. Just for 10 minutes you go down. Again, this is moving your hands around. I would suggest maybe you want to leave the right hand where it is, just move the left hand down. Or something like that, rather than both hands. If you want to move both hands, go right ahead. It's just harder to do because the beat goes on. You can't hesitate. The beat, no hesitations allowed. The beat's got to be right there. You get one beat to move down there and be in position. So that's something we have to work on. We do practice hand movements in piano when we need to. Let's try this out very slowly together and make sure you have the right notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.